Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for John Carr coming up in a few moments from now with a special LP show hosted by Ashwin. Until next time, may peace and contentment be yours.
जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल पर वारी जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल पर वारी हे गोपाल गोविंद मुरारे
हे गोपाल गोविंद मुरारी
शरणागत हूँ द्वार तिहार जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल पर वारी जाऊं तोरे चरण कमल पर वारी
Ganpati Bappa Moreya. Hello friends, Namaste and good morning. You are tuned into WMUH Allentown 91.7 FM. Today is September 7th, 2024. The time is around 8:08. This is Ashwin, your host for today, bringing you yet another edition of the Jankar program, broadcasted every Saturday from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. The programming and personal support for this program is provided by the Indian American Association of the Lehigh Valley. So, you just heard the song from Sur Sangam by Pandit Rajan and Sajan Mishra and Lata Mangeshkar. Lyrics was by Vasant Dev and was released in 1985. So by this, you might have got a idea that this is going to be an Lakshmikant Pyarelal special today. Today we will be celebrating Sri Pyarelal-ji's birthday, who turned 84 on 3rd September. We wish him good health and long life. A very happy birthday to Sri Guru Pyarelal-ji. So let's celebrate Lakshmikant Pyarelal with this special show today. I will start this morning with some beautiful melodious songs of LP. Lakshmikant Pyarelal are also called as LP. So any LP in this today's show is all Lakshmikant Pyarelal. And talk about some facts and stats. Hope you enjoy them. Sri Lakshmikant Shantaram Kudalkar, full name of Lakshmikant-ji, was born on the day of Lakshmi Pujan during Diwali on 3rd November 1937. Sri Pyarelal Ramprasad Sharma was born on 3rd September 1940. तो देखिए इधर ही द जोड़ी में ही 3rd day of the month they were born on the same. So Lakshmikant ji and Pyarelal ji played mandolin and violin respectively as musicians for many music directors. Pyarelal ji got a chance to play violin as a group musician for Jogan in 1950 at the young age of 10, and then played solo in many films thereafter for many music directors. Some of the famous solo songs he played were from the 1960 movie Zameen Ke Tare and the super hit movie 1964's Hakikat. And there were many more actually. LP started with a bang in 1963 with Paras Mani and continued to rule the music industry for the next 3.5 decades. This was also the first released movie of LP. So let's hear a song by Lata Mangeshkar written by Asad Bhupali. One more trivia. Lakshmikant ji later on named his Bangla Paras Mani. So let's hear it. LP assisted some music directors starting with 1958 before they started to give independent music as Lakshmikant Pyarelal. They had a long association with Kalanji Anandji Bhai, whom they assisted till 1968, even when they had already established themselves as the top music directors of that period. Here comes the first Filmfare Award for LP with Dosti in year 1964. These songs were all super duper hits. तो सुनते हैं एक गाना जिसे लिखा है मजरू सुल्तानपुरी साहब ने और गाया है रफ़ी साहब ने. गौर से फरमाइए, इस गाने में जो मौत ऑर्गन बजाया है वो नन अदर देन आवर ओन पंचम दा, विच इज़ आर.डी. बर्मन. तो लेट्स हियर दिस सॉन्ग.
जाने वालों जरा मुड़ के देखो मुझे, एक इंसान हूँ मैं तुम्हारी तरह, जिसने सब को रचा अपने ही रूप से, उसकी पहचान हूँ मैं तुम्हारी तरह, जाने वालों जरा.
In 2024, Shri Pyarelal ji was honored with Padma Bhushan, the third highest civilian award in India. Pyarelal ji clearly said that this award belongs to Lakshmikant Pyarelal. फिर से गुरु श्री प्यारेलाल जी को जन्मदिन की बधाई. ये जो गाना है, इट्स काइंड ऑफ एन यूनिवर्सल बर्थडे सॉन्ग एंड अ रिचुअल टू सिंग ड्यूरिंग द बर्थडेज. Sung by Mohammad Rafi Saab and lyrics by Anand Bakshi Saab from 1967 movie Farz. So here it goes.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू सुनीता, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू सुनीता, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
Thank you, Manish Sharma and friends, for calling in and letting me know that you guys are enjoying the show. Lakshmikant Pyarelal won 7 Filmfare Awards and 25 nominations for their 35 years of contribution. That means almost every year they had a nomination for Filmfare. There were no Filmfare Awards ceremony in 1987 and 1988, and because of this, LP missed out the chance of winning some more awards for movies like Mr. India, Sindoor, Nagina, Karma, Naam, 20 Saal Baad, Nache Mayuri and many more. These were all musically blockbusters. The next song is from 1967 film Milan, for which LP got their second Filmfare Award. This song is written by Anand Bakshi Saab and sung by Lata Mangeshkar and Mukesh. Let's enjoy it. You are listening to WMUH Allentown 91.7 FM, and the time is around 8:29. So let's hear the next one. At another Filmfare Award for 1969 movie Jeene Ki Raah. This was LP's third one. This song is written by Anand Bakshi Saab and sung by Lata Mangeshkar. Okay, it's time for a public service announcement from Red Cross. Do you know what you and your family can do to prevent home fires? Make sure all source of fuel, including paper and clothing, are at least 3 feet away from heat source, such as space heaters. Never leave burning candles unattended, and keep matches and lighters away from children. To learn more, contact your local American Red Cross chapter. The year was 1971, a special year for me as well, as I was born that year, and also a special year for the Hindi film music industry, as for the first time, the movie songs were recorded in stereophonic mode, and the movie was V. Shantaram's Jal Bin Machli Nritya Bin Bijli. तो सुनते हैं एक बढ़िया गाना इस फिल्म से, जिसे लिखा है मजरू साहब ने और गाया है लता मंगेशकर. Here are some top singers who have sung for Lakshmikant Pyarelal. Lata Mangeshkar played a major role in shaping up the careers of Lakshmikant Pyarelal. She has sung 712 plus songs, highest by any music director, for any music director. Mohammad Rafi Saab has sung 379 songs, again it's the highest for any music director. Asha Bhosle recorded 494 songs, which is the second highest after Panchamda. Kishore Kumar, 402 songs, again second highest after Panchamda. Mukesh has sung as many as 80 plus songs, which is third highest after Kalyanji Anandji and Shankar Jaikishan. Kavita Krishnamurti ji, 278 plus, Muhammad Aziz, 271 plus, Anuradha Podwal, 239 plus songs, which is again a highest for any music director. Alka Yagnik, around 250 plus songs, second highest. If I start listing all these singers, it'll take up all the time of the show. So let's move forward. 1973, LP completed 10 years. Then came the music of Bobby, which was like a storm. The film's success was solely carried away by its melodious and massively popular songs. The music was loved by critics and the masses. चलिए सुनते हैं इसी फिल्म से एक गाना जिसे गाया है लता मंगेशकर और शैलेंद्र ने और जिसे लिखा है बख्शी साहब ने।
मुझे कुछ कहना है,
मुझे भी कुछ कहना है,
मुझे कुछ कहना है,
मुझे भी कुछ कहना है।
पहले तुम,
पहले तुम,
पहले तुम,
पहले तुम,
पहले तुम,
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 तुम, तुम, तुम। देखो जिस तरह लखनऊ के दो नवाबों की गाड़ी पहले आप, पहले आप, पहले आप, पहले आप करते निकल गई थी, उस तरह हमारी पहले तुम, पहले तुम, पहले तुम, पहले तुम में ये मस्ती भरी रुत न चली जाए।
अच्छा मैं कहती हूँ, अक्सर कोई लड़की इस हाल में किसी लड़के से 16वें साल में जो कहती है वो मुझे कहना है।
अक्सर कोई लड़का इस हाल में किसी लड़की से 16वें साल में जो कहता है वो मुझे कहना है।
अक्सर कोई लड़की,
हाँ अक्सर कोई लड़का,
हाँ हाँ अक्सर कोई लड़की इस हाल में।
Okay, it's time for another public service announcement. Teenagers think alcohol makes them feel cool, but alcohol affects their judgment and their future. So talk about underage drinking with the teens so that they can understand the consequences. Alcohol doesn't just impair, it kills. Learn more at stopalcoholabuse.gov. Brought to you by the US Department of Health and Human Service and Ad Council. Whenever you guys please call in the studio 484-664-3456. Please do not call just while the song is ending or when I'm talking, so that I cannot pick the call if the song is ending. It's going to impact the show. Year 1977. Another Filmfare Award to LP. This song is the only song wherein the three legendary male singers Mukesh, Mohammad Rafi, Kishore Kumar, along with Lata Mangeshkar, came together to record a song. And that was for the movie Amar Akbar Anthony. The song is written by Anand Bakshi Saab. Enjoy the song and give special attention to Lata ji's singing, जिसमें उन्होंने तीनों अंतरे अलग स्टाइल में गाया है. चलिए सुनते हैं.
हम सच बोला है ओ हमको तुमसे हो गया है प्यार क्या करें बोलो तो जिए बोलो तो मर जाए हमको तुमसे हो गया है प्यार क्या करें बोलो तो जिए बोलो तो मर जाए
हमको तुमसे हो गया है प्यार क्या करें बोलो तो जिए
That was from Amar Akbar Anthony. By the way, Manish, thanks for calling from Houston and letting me know that you are enjoying the show. Okay, another Filmfare Award for LP in 1978. came for an RK movie, Satyam Shivam Sundaram. This movie had some brilliant songs. Let's hear the song written by Bakshi Saab and sung by Lata Mangeshkar. You are listening to WMUH Allentown 91.7 FM and the time is 9 o'clock. Daulat Melwani, thank you for calling and letting me know that you're enjoying the show. Okay, let me provide some facts about Bina Ka Geet Mala. LP dominated the weekly Hindi film songs countdown program Bina Ka Geet Mala, hosted by Amin Sayani, the most popular musical radio program of its time. The Bina Ka Geet Mala ranked the most popular Bollywood film songs according to the sales of the album. In the third quarter of 1963, LP's first ever song, Hasta Hua Nurani Chehra, from Paras Mani hit the Bina Ka Geet Mala. After that, LP's songs were regularly and prominently aired on Bina Ka Geet Mala. There used to be 16 songs in each of the weekly Geet Mala program. More than half of the numbers of the songs were of LP. There were certain weeks in which more than 13 out of 16 songs of LP were broadcasted when LP were right on top of their career. Bina Ka Geet Mala used to broadcast Annual, which is a Varshik program, giving the top 32 songs of the year. In this program as well, LP had the upper hand. Not only that, on an average, there used to be at least 15 songs of LP. Also, about 50% of the songs between 1st to 10th position. Lakshmikant Pyarelal have 245 songs played in the Varshik of Bina Ka Geet Mala till 1998. That's the highest number of the songs by any music directors appeared in the Varshik program. Apart from that, LP have the highest number of the top songs for 11 years. Overall, 1008 songs were played, and the Bina Ka Geet Mala records show that Lakshmikant Pyarelal have always completely dominated this musical countdown program. In the year 1979, they got their 6th Filmfare Award for Sargam. This was the 3rd in a row. चलिए इसी फिल्म से रफ़ी साहब की आवाज़ में सुनते हैं एक क्लासिक गाना जिसे लिखा है बख्शी साहब ने.
मेरे भगवन ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे भगवन ये क्या हो रहा है कहाँ तेरा इंसाफ है कहाँ तेरा दस्तूर है कहाँ तेरा इंसाफ है कहाँ तेरा दस्तूर है मैं तो हूँ मजबूर भगवन मैं तो हूँ मजबूर भगवन क्या तू भी मजबूर है कहाँ तेरा इंसाफ है कहाँ तेरा दस्तूर है कहाँ तेरा इंसाफ है कहाँ तेरा दस्तूर है
वाह, सिर्फ रफ़ी साहब ही इस गाने को जस्टिफाई कर सकते थे. क्या गाया है. Guys, Indian American Association of the Lehigh Valley invites you to celebrate Diwali 2024, November 9th, 2024. So please save this date, which is November 9th, Diwali program from Indian American Association of the Lehigh Valley. Here comes the 7th Filmfare Award for LP in 1981, 4th in a row. Wow. This is a joint record with A.R. Rahman for now. So let's hear a song from Curse, जिसे गाया है लता मंगेशकर और किशोर दा ने और लिखा है आनंद बख्शी जी ने.
तू कितने बरस की
मैं 16 बरस की
तो मैं 17 बरस का
16
17
17
16
मिल जाए नैना एक दो बरस जरा दूर रहना एक दो बरस जरा दूर रहना कुछ हो गया तो फिर ना कहना मैं 16 बरस की तू 17 बरस का मैं 16 बरस की तू 17 बरस का मिल जाए नैना
कुछ भी हो मुश्किल है दूर रहना कुछ हो गया तो फिर ना कहना तू 16 बरस की मैं 17 बरस का तू 16 बरस की मैं 17 बरस का मिल जाए नैना
एक दो बरस जरा दूर रहना कुछ हो गया तो फिर ना कहना
Okay, it's time for a public service announcement again. Each year, 40% of the food in the US never gets eaten. Wasting food wastes everything: water, labor, fuel, and money. Cook it, store it, and share it. Just don't waste it. Learn how to better plan, store, and cook your food at savethefood.com. Brought to you by the Natural Resource Defense Council and the Ad Council and the only station that matters, WMUH, Allentown. In 1981, a remake of Telugu film Maru Charitra was being made in Hindi. LP family, along with the director K. Balachandra, went to watch the movie. After it ended, Lakshmiji's wife Jayaji asked Lakshmiji, "Will you be able to match the super hit songs of this Telugu film?" But then Lakshmiji did not answer her anything. The same year, during the Ganesh Visarjan program, Lakshmiji made Jayaji hear all the songs of the movie. She asked which movie were these songs from, and then Lakshmiji reminded her that this was from the same Telugu movie's Hindi remake, which was Ek Duje Ke Liye. After hearing all the songs, she said, "You got a gem on your hands." And indeed, It was a gem of an album. Wives are the best critics, I think so. LP introduced a new singer from South for this movie. He got national award for a song for that as well. It was none other than the SP Balasubramaniam. What an entry he had with this movie. But I'm not playing his song today. तो इसी फिल्म से दूसरा गाना सुनते हैं जिसे गाया है लता मंगेशकर जी ने और अनूप जलोटा, जिसे लिखा है फिर से बख्शी साहब ने. लेट्स एंजॉय.
कोशिश करके देख ले दरिया सारे नदियां सारी दिल की लगी नहीं बुझती बुझती है हर चिंगारी.
वाव, ये सिर्फ लता जी ही गा सकती थी. क्या ब्यूटीफुली कंपोज्ड एंड संग बाय लता जी. वाव, नाइस सॉन्ग. दिस आर द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ लक्ष्मीकांत प्यारेलाल. स्पेशली ऐसे गाने उन्होंने बहुत ही बढ़िया बनाए हैं. बाय द वे गाइस, द हुक ट्यून विच एंडेड द सॉन्ग एज वेल एज स्टार्टेड विद द सॉन्ग was actually used from the background music of their film Bobby. So उन्होंने बॉबी में एक सीन में ऋषि कपूर के बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक में ये हुक ट्यून लक्ष्मीकांत प्यारेलाल had used that. Okay, let's move ahead. Late 70s and early 80s, LP started to promote new singers like Anuradha Paudwal, Kavita Krishnamurthy, Alka Yagnik, Amit Kumar, Shabbir Kumar, Mohammad Aziz, सुरेश वाडकर एंड मैनी मोर. तो उसी के साथ उनका म्यूज़िक का स्टाइल भी चेंज होते गया. सो इफ़ यू हैव हर्ड दीज सॉन्ग्स फ्रॉम स्टार्ट ऑफ द डे, एवरी 5 years their music arrangement, music style has changed according to the times. That's why they were on top till the end. तो बढ़ते हैं साल 1985 which is 1985. गाना है मूवी मेरी जंग से, जिसे गाया है लता मंगेशकर और शब्बीर कुमार, और जिसे लिखा है बख्शी साहब ने. इस गाने को ध्यान से सुनिए. वायलिन्स आर ब्यूटीफुली यूज्ड इन दिस सॉन्ग. अगर किसी को ऑर्केस्ट्रेशन का नॉलेज है देन दे विल डेफिनेटली से दैट दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वायलिन्स यूज्ड इन दिस सॉन्ग. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ देम, नॉट जस्ट वन. सो लेट्स हियर फॉर दैट. क्या गाना बनाया है लक्ष्मीकांत प्यारेलाल जी ने. Wow, superb music, superb tune, superb singing. Okay, you are listening to WMUH Allentown 91.7 FM and the time is 9:28 a.m. and you are listening to LP special show. Hope you guys are enjoying it today. Another blockbuster music from LP in 1989. So let's hear a song by Kavita Krishnamurthy and Mohammad Aziz, written by Bakshi Saab. कौन सी मूवी? वो तो पता चल जाएगा गाना सुनकर. चलिए सुनते हैं. Wow, wasn't that a blockbuster musical film, Ram Lakhan? Ganpati Bappa Moreya, wishing you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, how come there won't be a song of Ganesh today? तो सुनते हैं एक गाना from 1990 movie अग्निपथ, जिसे गाया है सुदेश भोसले और कविता कृष्णमूर्ति जी ने और फिर से लिखा है बख्शी साहब ने. LP gave music to around 525 plus movies, जिसमें तमिल, मलयालम, तेलुगु, बंगाली, मराठी और कन्नड़ा भी शामिल है. They used around 157 singers, 72 lyricists and composed around 2,850 plus songs. That's a record in itself. As far as top 2 lyricists they used were Anand Bakshi Saab, 303 films with an astonishing 1,680 plus songs. Majru Sultanpuri ji, 45 plus movies, 235 plus songs. So the next song, let's hear from Sadhna Sargam and Mohammad Aziz for the 1991 movie Saudagar. Lyrics, who else? It's again Bakshi Saab. चलिए सुनते हैं.
सारे गा रे सानी पा पा रे गा रे सा
सरजमीन हिंदुस्तान अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरा नाम बादशाह खान है yes that's खुदा गवाह a 1992 epic drama film and the first Indian movie to use surround sound technique. The music had Afghani flavor to it and the album was a big hit in India as well as overseas. Coming up is a song by Bakshi Saab and sung by Alka Yagnik and Suresh Wadkar. Let's enjoy this one.
आशिकी में मैंने सुनी है इस आशिकी में मैंने सुनी है लोगों से जितनी कहानियां तुझ में है वो सब निशानियां ओ दिलबर जानियां.
Okay, here comes a public service announcement. Hey, wake up. You can't dream your way into college. There are actual steps that you need to take. Steps that go beyond just getting good grades. So if you are serious about college, visit knowhowtogo.org today. Brought to you by American Council of Education, the Lumina Foundation or Education of Education and the Ad Council. Okay, 1993. Marked 30 years for Lakshmikant Pyarelal on top in the music industry, wherein they were now competing with the new generation of music directors. Khalnayak was one of the movies released in 1993, and here are few musical quotes or celebrities quotes which was published in Screen newspaper during that time. Anand Bakshi, this is the best music that our team LB AB Subhash Ghai has taken out till date. Jatin Lalit, the music score of LP has to be heard to believed. No one can beat the winning team of LP and AB. Anand Milind, the music of Khalnayak is excellent and has the classy stamp of music maestros Lakshmikant Pyarelal and Subhash Ghai. Annu Malik, after 30 years of relentless hard work by Lakshmikant Pyarelal, they still come up with scores like Khalnayak. Hats off to them. Bappi Lahiri, the musical artistry of Lakshmikant Pyarelal best heard in Khalnayak. The music has the stamp of LP and Subhash Ghai. Rajesh Roshan, the team of Lakshmikant Pyarelal and Subhash Ghai always work wonders, and Khalnayak is no exception. Dilip Sen, Samir Sen, Khalnayak music is definitely number one. We consider Lakshmikant Pyarelal as our gurus, and they are undoubtedly the living legends. Khalnayak was the highest selling music album of the year. So let's hear this beautiful song by Kavita Krishnamurthy ji and Ila Arunji. Lyrics by Anand Bakshi. Let's enjoy this massive orchestrated song.
नायक नहीं
Please tune in every Saturday and enjoy the Jankar program, which is broadcasted from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. on WMUH Allentown 91.7 FM. By the way, if you play all Lakshmikant Parallel songs at a stretch, then it would go on for over 10 days non-stop, without even repeating a song. तो इससे पता चलता है कि कितने सारे गाने इन्होंने बनाए हैं. Prem was released in 1995, which did not do well at the box office, but the music of the movie had some melodious songs, sung by Alkai Yagnik and Nalin Dave. Lyrics by Anand Bakshi साहब. तो सुनते हैं इसी फिल्म से एक गाना.
मैंने जी लिया, मर लिया, प्रेम कर लिया.
मैंने जी लिया, मर लिया, प्रेम कर लिया.
जितना डरना था डर लिया, प्रेम कर लिया.
जितना डरना था डर लिया, प्रेम कर लिया. प्रेम कर लिया.
25th May 1998 was a black day for music lovers as Lakshmi ji at the age of 60 years had passed away and left us with the treasure of music that will always stay forever in our hearts. LP's last released movie was in the year 1999, but one of the uncompleted movies was also released in 2004. I'm fortunate to meet and be in touch with the living legend Guru Shri Pyarelal ji and his sweet and lovely wife Sunila ji, whom we fondly call Amma ji, who always bestow love and blessings on me. Before signing off, this is Ashwin. I would like to thank you all for tuning in, and especially our Jankar team members who always support and encourage. Shimanti, Sanjay Garji, Anuji, Praveen ji, everyone. Thanks for all your support. Hope you all enjoyed my today's LP special show. Take care of yourself and enjoy the rest of the weekend. Fir milenge, fir kabhi. Bye for now. Enjoy this last song of the show from Divana Mastana, released in 1997, sung by Udit Narayan and written by Bakshi Sahab.
ओ मम्मी मम्मी, ओ डैडी डैडी, ओ मम्मी डैडी, हो जाओ रेडी, जिससे मेरी शादी होगी, जिससे मेरी शादी होगी. आज मैंने वो लड़की ढूंढ ली है. ओ मम्मी मम्मी, ओ डैडी डैडी, ओ मम्मी डैडी, हो जाओ रेडी, जिससे मेरी शादी होगी, जिससे मेरी शादी होगी. आज मैंने वो लड़की ढूंढ ली है.